everybody. How are you all doing? It's very loud. I'm here in the Garment District. Let me turn you guys around. I'm just going to the factory. I'm so excited about our upcoming collection attraction. It was inspired by track and field stars of the 80s, the 90s, and today. These gorgeous, strong, athletic women who are so fit, who have grace and strength. And I just love it when women are strong and powerful and when we step into our power. I find it to be the most inspiring thing because it makes me feel like anything is possible. If you think about all the stuff that women do, managing our households, our families, our finances, our jobs, you know, our personal lives, our friends, there's so much that we are capable of doing. And we're, you know, sort of the unsung heroes in terms of the genders. And I just wanted to sort of dedicate this collection to us and our power. And it feels like a really good time considering that it's Women's History Month. So we're going to be sharing lots of fun stuff about women and our struggles and our successes. And so it's going to be a really great month over here on Facebook. And if you guys have not signed up for our newsletter, you absolutely should, because we share lots of uplifting stories there. We have tips. We sometimes share playlists because it's going to be beach time soon enough. So definitely get over and join our mailing list. When you go to our website, it'll just pop up and you can enter your email there. But anyways, it's really cold, you guys. Yesterday was like 50 degrees here in New York, and I was thinking, man, it's gonna be warm today, and it's so not. Ooh, I just realized I could do some fun filters. Why don't I try that? Let's see. Or can I do that? Wouldn't it be too distracting? Forget it. I don't need a filter. I'm beautiful just the way I am. That's what I've been doing lately, you guys. I've been not knocking myself or criticizing myself. I mean, not. I do it, but I try to replace those thoughts and those words with a compliment to myself. Because why tear myself down? I'm all I've got, right? If I can't be kind to myself, how can I be kind to anybody else? Whew. One more block. Actually, 2 more blocks. Where am I? Oops. I think I came too far down. I was spacing out. Nope, I didn't. I'm good. I've been using this factory for 10 years, you guys, so you would think I would know where to go, but sometimes I exit the subway at different parts, and then I get disoriented, different exits. Actually, I usually walk across town, but I was running a bit late, so I grabbed the shuttle. And just now heading down. This was actually my least favorite neighborhood of New York. Let me flip you guys around again. So you can see it's my least favorite neighborhood because it's just so incredibly chaotic. But the Garment District has been located here, I think, since after the war. It used to be downtown.
You got a selfie, baby?
No, I'm making a video. You can say hi.
Hi.
That's what I love about New York, though. So it used to be downtown in the Lower East Side, and then it came up here. And actually, my grandmother used to work down there. Both of my grandmothers in different factories. But now the Garment District is up here in Midtown, so it's a bit busy. You gotta be awake. But it's convenient to get to, which is nice. So I appreciate that about it. And the other thing I love about this neighborhood is all the dollar pizza. I don't know about you guys, but I am a huge pizza fan. I follow the 80-20 rule when it comes to food, meaning I mostly eat healthy, but I couldn't live without pizza. I also do have a bit of a sweet tooth, so, you know, I don't cut myself off from those things. So New York has some of the best dollar pizza that you will ever taste. So if you're ever here and you find yourself in Midtown, like around Times Square, and you see a sign for dollar pizza, hit it up, because you are not going to be disappointed at all. Okay, 1 more block to go. So I have right here in a bag a pattern that I've been working really hard on. I did like 2 versions of it already, and it almost perfectly fits, but it's not perfect, and I'm very critical. I'm like anal. I'll do something like over and over until I get it right. And I just decided, you know what, it's time to pass this on to the professionals and just get those little details to fit just right. Because when it comes to bathing suits, as all of you know, fit is absolutely everything. Without fit, you don't have a good swimsuit. Things and bits and pieces will fall out when you move. It'll cut into the fat, or it'll droop off your body in all the wrong places. So, yeah. Oh, here, I want to flip you guys around if I can get out of this screen, because there's a Dollar Pizza. I'll just flip it this way. Dollar Pizza, so good. There used to be another one across the street that was even better, but I guess there was too much competition and they closed down. But anyway, so good. All the food basically in New York is absolutely phenomenal, you guys. So if you come here, the first thing you have to have is pizza. Then you've got to have a bagel with cream cheese. If you can, an everything bagel with veggie cream cheese, because that's the best. What else? Basically anything. Thank you. The only thing I think the West Coast is better is health food. We do not do health food very well here. Woo! Out of the cold. Okay, I'm gonna jump in the elevator. I'm a few minutes late, but hopefully they will forgive me. All right. So I'm gonna try this one suit on and see how it fits. And then they're gonna do some tweaking. They're gonna sew up a revised version, and I'm gonna come back next week and get it. And then that will be like one of the last pieces of the attraction collection. So it's coming soon. So guys, please sign up on for the mailing list so that I can let you guys know when it's coming out. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.